Kids, it's me, Crystal, and today I'm going to be mixing some slime with Kinetic rock. I've had a lot of this Kinetic rock for a while, and I haven't really known what to do with it, so I thought, let's just mix some of this into some slime, because slime is amazing. Everyone knows it. Sorry we haven't been posting a lot. We really haven't had any ideas. So if you want to see more of us posting, comment some ideas you want to see us do. So I want to start mixing these, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so right here I have some basic white glue slime. Sorry, my camera's all messed up. Some basic white glue slime. I overactivated it a bit because usually when you add stuff in the slime, it makes it all sticky. So I thought, let's just overactivate it. Sorry. And see, it's not really stretchy, but I have some lotion if it is still too hard after I mix it in. And then if it's still sticky, I have some activator here. So it won't be sticky. So basically, I've got it. Okay, so I have the Kinetic rock right here. Okay, I have a little bit of the slime, so and if it doesn't turn out well or something messes up, I have the other half. So let's just put a little bit of Kinetic rock in for right now. Mix it out. It feels really cool so far, but we can add a little bit more of the rocks. So a little bit more. It's getting a little bit sticky, but not so sticky that sticks to your hands a lot. It's getting a little bit harder to stretch too. Add some more. Sorry about my voice. I think I'm getting a little bit sick. Too much. Sorry if you can hear my parents in the background. They're really noisy. This is a really nice texture. Like, it stretches far, but it's like really hard, but it doesn't rip either. Well, it kind of rips, but that's just because I was pulling on it really hard. Like, if you try to stretch it, it doesn't rip. Oh, I hit the camera. Some more Kinetic rock. starting to get a little bit hard, so let me grab a little bit of lotion. Oh god, that lotion's gross. It's a different type of lotion. It's not like lotion that you usually buy. This actually turned out really good. It's not like really sticky. Like it sticks a little bit, but it's not sticky so it like sticks on your hands. If that makes any sense. And it's really holdable. And the texture is really nice with the rocks. It's kind of like a bumpy feeling. Like I said before, it stretches, but it's hard. It's just a really unique feeling of slime. The lotion that I added makes it smell really good. Like it's not like a feeling like when you add kinetic sand to slime. It's more of like a crunchy slime. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and comment or how you felt about it. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you would try this video out. I think it's a really good idea. I might even make more of this slime later. We'll see how it goes. But don't forget, we also do free shoutouts. So all you have to do is subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment done when you are done, and we'll give you a free shout out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our other videos and subscribe. Thanks. See you later.